Just after getting into the travel hoist here. I'm going to stay on board because otherwise we'll get wet. And I'll film us coming up a little bit in a moment. Pretty hairy getting out of the marina. Really tight and quite windy. But managed it with a bit of help from Steve. Creaking going on as she settles into her slings. Just going to stay in the slings overnight because he doesn't really know where to stick her yet. And there is meant to be the tail end of a hurricane coming on Saturday, so he's trying to get a couple of boats sorted before then. That's a terrifying noise. We don't really know where we're going to end up yet. Just about here for the moment. Wish you were here, Mo. Another boat in the slings. Friend in the slings. Randy lass. What an absolutely mental shape. You see that? It's crazy. Where is he taking us? There it is. Okay, that's it. I'm out. See you when we're in our cradle. So I have a bit of time off work and I'm just looking at the electronics that we've got, and I'm just unscrewing the depth sounder, and it just pulls out of the hull. It's just set in grease with some rubber at the top. And then I'm hoping the same thing will happen with our speed log. And then we can hook them directly up to the instruments and see if anything works. These are our instrument heads here. 2 old Brooks and Gatehouse grey boxes. This is the depth sounder, and that's for the wind direction, wind speed, and the speed log. And then we have a GPS as well.